Welcome to another video. This is Eric Brandt coming to you from Los Angeles, California. Got my shoes kicked off, got a little relaxation going here. Sit in my office, we'll do this video. The last couple of days we've been drilling you guys and talking to you guys from my office regarding spiritual and energy type of vibrations that will excel you to success, you know. Many of you out there are right now discombobulated. It's a good word. Discombobulated with what I call the global the global economic meltdown. And I am right now on a journey, and I want you guys to take this journey with me because, you know, if you guys are understanding what's going on or not, I don't think there's an individual right now on the planet that doesn't have a concern with the global financial situation that we're in. So everybody's feeling this thing. I don't care who you are. You can be a millionaire, you can be a billionaire. Everybody is feeling the stench and feeling the economic tightening up. And so with that, I want to share something with you guys. On this journey right now, I'm looking for warriors. Female warriors and men warriors. Warriors all around. But the warriors that I'm looking for more of a spiritual warrior. Spiritual, not really meaning religious. I mean, although there are some religious people who are spiritual, there are some religious people who are not spiritual. When I say spiritual warriors, I'm talking about those individuals who are in tune with vibrations. They're in tune with higher levels of reality, because everything in the world is not physical. You know, have you ever noticed, you guys see a guy one time, I mean, you might have been right on the money if you saw an individual and you just knew that that person was up to no good. You just felt it in your bones, and that individual was actually up to no good. Even though he didn't say a word to you, even though you never knew this guy, even though you had no history of this person, when you saw them. And this is not, I'm not talking about prejudices, I'm talking about vibrations, pure vibrations. And there's some people who generate that negative energy, and you can feel it. You can feel the negativity. So what I'm looking for right now is positive people. I'm looking for those spiritual warriors who are willing to take on and help me to revitalize the middle class. Because right now, the middle class all over the world is becoming extinct. And it is because of the clashing of the two worlds that's going on right now. We have what is called the clashing of ideas, the falling of one world, and the emergence of another world. The problem is, most of us are so adapted to the old world, we're not understanding the virtual global income revolution that's taking place right now. Technologically, technology is a wonderful thing, but at the same time, most of us middle class people who are not using technology for financial benefits, we're falling to the wayside. And so online marketing right now is one of the top industries, growing industries, home-based businesses, because it is becoming easier to market using technology. Let me give you an example. There's a young lady that I had an opportunity to meet who sells Indian hair, and she has an Instagram. And without saying one word, just posting pictures, she has made several hundreds of thousands of dollars profit by selling a product, and she allowed technology to sell that product for her. So this to me is an indication of the power that we have at our disposal, and the resources that we have and that we can utilize. But I want to share something with you. There's a special training that you're going to need. There's a special training that I have access to teach you. And many of you guys out there are just anti-sell anything. I don't want to sell nothing. I don't want to have to sell something. But what you don't understand is every day you sell something. Every single day you sell something without even knowing it. Because you wear these name brand clothes, you wear these name brand shoes, you always are talking and speaking about name brand items that you want to purchase. And whenever you just mention a name brand product, you are actually advertising for that company. Now, did you get a paycheck for it? I don't think so. So how about you consciously learn how to engage in this war that we're taking on right now? There is an economic war going around, and it's global. It's an economic war going on globally, and the war is technological. The war is virtual. The world is on the internet, and the war is really not a war that I'm looking for warriors to actually, shoot bullets. No, that's not what we're talking about. The war and the warriors I'm looking for, again, are spiritual warriors that understand the vibrations and currents that's going on in this world. And the battle that we're fighting is against ignorance, and the battle that we're fighting is against poverty. So I'm a crusader, you're a crusader. We're going to take on this battle of this global economic meltdown. We're going to train people, and we're going to train you, and we're going to train you how to train yourself and train other individuals as to how you could utilize the internet to make an abundance amount of income and to help other people's lives, to help your own life, and to just thrust yourself into a better quality of life. And that's what's going on right now. I am in a circle of individuals. Actually, there's hundreds of thousands of people now that's emerging, and I call this the new enlightenment period. And I liken this and I compare this to what is like the period of actually the French Revolution. And when you had the French Revolution, a lot of people don't realize it wasn't just revolution. Before the revolution, you actually had what was called the Enlightenment period. And this revolution that took place was at the end of what was called the Enlightenment period, when people started to wake up and understand what was going on. People started to read, books were being emerged, people were passing books around, and as people got knowledge, it changed the condition of the people. And so this is what's going on today. I said that we're in a virtual global income revolution, and the revolution is not going to be fought in the streets. The revolution is going to be fought in the minds and hearts of the people. That's what we're living in right now. The revolution is against ignorance. The revolution is against poverty. The revolution is against the old mindset of the Industrial Revolution. And now we're in what is called a technological revolution. And so many of you guys out there right now who are scaling down your life every month, you're cutting down something from your lifestyle. And I'm noticing so many people out there, they're scaling down every month something from their lifestyle. And to adjust and tighten up their belt buckles to this new economic turmoil that's going on around the world. And so if you're out there doing that, then you need to learn how you can maximize your talents online, how you can maximize and increase your income. It's not that hard, people. I'm telling you, I'm learning these different skills. I'm doing different things that I never thought I would be doing on the internet. Right now, you guys are listening to this video. I may be out somewhere. I might be at a baseball game. I might be at a football game. I might be at Buffalo Bills eating some chicken wings with my friends, watching a boxing match. Who knows where I'm at right now while you're watching this video and while you're starting to learn how to awaken your brain and your mind. I'm looking for spiritual warriors who are willing to take control of their own destiny, who are willing to embark upon the journey that's going to support and is going to perpetuate the middle class. If we don't do something now in our lives and take massive action, guess what? Nothing's going to change. So with that, you guys, I'm going to get ready to go out. And I want you guys to click that link that I have right there and start learning little bitty things, basics. Start learning how to put your information out there. Start learning how to direct traffic, how to grab traffic, how to redistribute traffic, how to create loopholes online. These things sound complicated, but they're very, very simple, believe me. And so don't be afraid. Don't be afraid of new things, because I'm noticing that most people are afraid of something new. And you should welcome things that are new. You should welcome new ideas. You should welcome new ventures and adventurous different things. Because when you shut yourself off, you're actually stopping the flow of the currents that are coming into the world. So with that, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and sign off. I don't want to take too much of your time. Click that link below. Start learning the basics. There's things you can do with free traffic. There's free traffic out there that you can use to drive to your restaurant. Bill Gates said in the next 5 years, if you're not active on the internet, whatever business you can have an appraisal company, you can have a hair salon, you can have a braiding company, braid hair, you can have a restaurant, you can have a carpet cleaning company, you can have a bug spraying company. It doesn't matter what kind of business you have. Bill Gates said, if you don't make yourself present on the internet, you are not going to make any money. And I think he knows what he's talking about. And so, with that, you guys, learn how you can become a distributor of your own product. Learn how you can make thousands of dollars every week right from the living room of your own home. Learn how you can make an extra $500 or $600 a day right in your pajamas while you're still in the bed. This is becoming so easy to do because of technology. And you guys are waiting for jobs to come back. You guys are waiting for things to change in this country and change in the world. It's not going to change until you change the condition of yourself. And so with that, you guys, come aboard, warriors. I'm looking for the spiritual warriors. I'm looking for the women warriors. I'm looking for the men warriors who have the audacity and courage and ambition to change their future for themselves and to create a future for their children. So with that, click that link, get in, get all in, learn, invest in yourself in a knowledge that will perpetuate you and push you into the new economic reality that we're facing right now, okay? So with that, I'm going to close out with a phrase that I've coined, and it says this: help me take back the economic and financial future of this country, family by family, and by changing incomes, guess what? We're definitely going to change lives. So until next time, you guys, this is Eric Brent signing off. EB, later.